I'm with Kim Clark. You came up with Wikki Stix, didn't you?
I did.
It's an absolutely incredible product. We see. You're welcome. We see it in a lot of pizza places. It's a beautiful application that you've come up with. It's a great kid's toy. It makes so much sense. It's fun. It's colorful. It doesn't cause any damage, and it's perfect because a lot of times kids need to be occupied in a restaurant.
Absolutely. Right? And if you give them crayons, crayons are old-fashioned. They have crayons at home. Crayons are one-dimensional. Wikki Stix, you can make a lot of three-dimensional things, so they have lots more play value. Keep the kids entertained longer. Same way with airlines. We do a lot of business with airlines. You've got kids captive for a long period of time. You need to keep them entertained.
I love how you put that because it's almost an event when you come to an establishment and you have Wikki Stix. But typically you're going to have your crayons, you're going to have your traditional toys at the house already. Wikki Stix make your restaurant possibly a destination spot.
I think it's an inexpensive loyalty program. Come back for the food and the fun.
I love it. Kim, how can people find out more about Wikki Stix and possibly get this in their establishment?
You can just Google us, Wikki Stix. No matter how you spell it, you'll find us, which I know is hard to because it's not easy to remember. Call us. Our 800 number is pretty much on everything and every place that we put things out into the country. And we'd be happy to talk to you and give you pricing and information. We have a variety of ways that it's available to purchase for restaurants and airlines. Happy to work with folks.
Kim at Wikki Stix, thanks for the time today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.